Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've got the gift card code and you're signed into Bookmyshow. Now begin. Select the movie or event and choose seats, then proceed to checkout right away. Once on the checkout page, confirm ticket details and number of seats because the gift card applies at payment time. Make sure your account email matches any confirmation you want. Keep the gift card code visible, don't switch screens, so you can copy it into the payment flow without losing progress. On the payment screen, select the gift card or voucher option. This is the only way to use it. Enter the code exactly as printed. Because a single mistyped character causes rejection, pay attention to zeros and the letter O. Once you apply it, the platform will deduct the available balance automatically. If the card value is less than the order, the remaining amount will show as payable. You can then choose a secondary payment method to cover the difference. After the gift card reduces the payable amount, select your remaining payment method and complete the transaction. Then confirm the booking and save the confirmation ID and email. If the gift card covers the full amount, simply finalize and receive your e-ticket. If something goes wrong, pause, verify the code, expiry date, and that it wasn't already redeemed. If it still fails, take a screenshot of the error and contact Bookmyshow support immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.